So as many of our viewers know, the H-1B non-immigrant work permit is a lottery. And it's crazy that the United States bases the ability to get highly skilled workers here based upon a random lottery. But there are options beyond the H-1B. So one of the things we do is we look at what other potential visas might be available or what cap-exempt visas might be available. But ultimately, we work very closely with a lawyer from Canada who does Canadian immigration, and she could possibly explore some of your options for Canadian immigration. Right, Gagan?
Yes, thank you, David. And of course, we do get a lot of clients where they are looking for options in Canada, even if they haven't exhausted all their options in the US. And if someone is out of luck and has not been selected for H-1B lottery, they can, of course, start looking for their options in Canada. Express entry is the most popular one based on their credentials, degree evaluation, their language testing, etc. They can see where they stand for their CRS score for permanent residency, and they can also apply for provincial nomination programs, and these are by each provinces, looking at what program is actively open for by each province. We also have an option for intra-company transfer. If someone is really has a long wait, they are in EB3 classification, and they're looking for to become a permanent citizen of that country. Canada is again an option for them to look for express entry and do an intra-company transfer as well. So there are huge options and many multiple options out there and it all goes beyond based on each individual's background and situation of their life.
So Gagan, one of the things that has always fascinated me about the Canadian programs is the investor visa and how the non-immigrant investor visa works in Canada. Can we briefly discuss that?
Yes, again, the investor visa is something that people can look for that option while they are outside Canada. They don't have to be necessarily, and this again is a path for their permanent residency while outside Canada. So for instance, even if they are in India, or Australia or any other country, they can start applying for it, and they can become a landed permanent residency through this immigration program.
That's great. So if any of our viewers have any questions about immigration, obviously to the United States or Canada, they can give us a call here at the NPZ Law Group.